to blow bubbles. Miss Tricia Szasz of Parkville Artisans Studio is here to show us this. And I was just Googling this morning the rainbow bubble snake.
The rainbow bubble snake. This is so much fun. You guys are going to love this. Even if the kids are gone to school already, go out and do this in the yard by yourself. It's seriously that much fun.
Yeah, well, you can kind of celebrate. Kids off to school, off on the bus, dropped them off. Now we can party.
That's right. And rainbow snakes, if you do it at home, that's fine, cool. Make them later on when the kids come home. They can play with it too, I guess.
Yeah. If they have those Monday blues or Tuesday blues, rather, I mean, just pop in the dye.
Right? And this is easy. You're going to have all this stuff sitting around your house. How many of these do you have sitting around? This one came from Stone Canyon down in Parkville.
Just in the recycle bin.
You know, we've got a bunch of these sitting around. And why not make some good use of them? I'm going to work on this part of it because all I'm going to do is cut the bottom of it off. You're going to quickly cut this part off for me because these are a pair of socks that I've had in my drawer for, I don't know, whatever.
See, I love this. You're putting use and upcycling old socks, literally.
That's right. I'm going to upcycle old socks. I'm going to upcycle this old water bottle, and I've got rubber bands sitting around the house all over the place, and I started this hole earlier because they're kind of difficult to start. I had to use an X-Acto knife and whatever, but once you get it started, very, very simple. Cut that little end off. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight or even. The kids can help with it. Then we're going to take the little sock end and we're going to put it over the end of the bottle. Not too difficult, right? You can do this so far. Even the kids can do this. Rubber band.
Anyone can do it. Get help with cutting.
Well, yeah, we want to be careful with that. When my son was very little, he was left alone for his first time when he was like 6 years old, and I just went to the store. Just to the store. That's it, just to give him...
This is how all these stories start.
And I come back, and he's putting his jacket on, and he's got blood on his hand, and he said he just was trying to cut something, and he was going next door for help.
See, he was oh, that's so sad. He was trying to do mom's, like, crafting.
He was being a good boy. So let's see. All we need, in addition to the water bottle and the sock, is some water. I usually do about a half a cup to a tablespoon of, or more.
We got some Ajax?
Or two, maybe. Yeah, some kind of Dawn, some kind of dish soap. And after we do that, we're going to mix this up a little bit. Now, let's see how easy this is.
And you also put some of the dye onto the sock.
We will. Watch this. So we're gonna put some soap on here. Let me make sure I got the mixture right though, because I may have to add some more dish soap.
Oh, she got it right. We've
did
got a
get it
truffle of bubble snake going on right now.
All right, now
this is so
even
fun.
these are super fun. You could put these in the bathtub with the kids, seriously. But this is where it really gets fun.
I mean, Tricia, I don't know if we should keep going on with the show or we should just like play bubble
play with bubbles all day.
Yeah.
Here, you use this one. You make some bubbles too. And if you want to make it super fun and add some color to it, we're just going to do a drip, drip, drip here and there on. Go ahead.
Just go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
So Tricia's had a little more. This is like flubber, like the.
It is. Oh my gosh, I forgot about that. Let's try some color now.
This is. Okay, so we see the green, the yellow, and blue. This is literally magical.
These so fun. Look at that. I gotta have some more color on here because this is just too fun.
Well, man, if any of those kindergartners they go to school in the afternoon, this would seriously be the perfect morning to do it on. First day of school.
First day of school. Have a little bit of fun.
Man, Tricia, I gotta get some dye in on mine. Just pop it on.
Just drip it on there. Yeah, any old colors you want. Get a little soap on there.
We're gonna try blue.
We're gonna try some blue. All right. Yeah. I got some more red on here.
Hopefully it doesn't get all over my dress.
That's what I know. That's why I'm trying to keep it away.
Okay. Okay, one last one.
All right, let's see what you got. Look at that beautifulness.
Yeah, meanwhile, I'm inhaling soap over here. Tricia, thank you so much for seriously
honey.
Way too much fun here on a Tuesday morning. Again, guys, you can definitely try this out. Tricia Szasz,
Please do.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Belinda.
So